All right, boys, we in the car right now. I'm filming this way. Noah's filming with the GoPro, and we're gonna combine them together. Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah, here. We're filming at the same time, actually. So yeah, we're gonna see who gets more views, and I'm gonna film out here on the water. He's gonna film on the car. So let's get it.
Go!
It's in neutral. It's in neutral. Go.
Are you ready?
Let's get it. Go.
Go!
There we go. We out here. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh! He did it, baby! He did it! One shot! One shot! That's how you do that, baby!